Donald Trump has spent some of his days off from the trial campaigning in recent weeks. But after his last day in court back on Tuesday, his jury has been out, just waiting now.
And it's the one thing they're not supposed to talk about.
Lawyers will tell you that this holiday weekend is a long time for a jury to be just in limbo, with closing arguments set to begin tomorrow after several days away. And that may not be helpful to Trump.
They're going to have friends and family members who are going to be saying things about this case. And it's also going to remind them how unpopular they might be if they acquit or reach a hung jury.
Why testify when they have no case?
Trump chose not to testify in his own behalf. It's not clear what a guilty verdict could mean for the election. One Democrat in Congress said it wouldn't matter.
I don't really think so. I think, Donald Trump's character is clear to the world. And so the election is not about who Donald Trump is. The question is about who we are.
But it could cost him among independent voters while firing up his base. Our poll showed that 89% of Democrats think Trump is getting fair treatment by the judicial system. 85% of Republicans think it's unfair, with independents split.
That's where Donald Trump could lose his support if he is convicted ultimately, and that's what some of the polls seem to be showing.
But it all depends on what the jury decides, and they could begin their deliberations on Wednesday. In Washington, Doug Luzader, Fox News.